We're all set up now, the gazebo's up, the windbreaks are up, the tables are out, the beers are out.
There's our lovely barman.
There's one for you. When you're barbecuing with your barbecue coals, you don't just need to cook barbecue meat. We've done a green Thai curry on it. Well, hello, good afternoon, and welcome to another Green Team adventuring Fanny the Wonderbus. We're off on a little weekend camp now. Michelle's been working this morning, so we're off to treat Michelle, Donald. As long as the rain keeps off, we'll have a few barbecues, a few beers, and a few dog walks. So anyhow, let's crack on, let's get to the campsite. Outside the office.
There you go. Welcome to Fishpool Caravan Park in Cheshire.
Wow, yeah, right near Delamere Forest, it's all right here. Yeah, so we're all set up now, the gazebo's up, the windbreaks are up, the tables are out, the beers are out.
Cheers.
Donald's in the middle of, he's just having a bit of a snooze in the van actually, he loves coming away with us in this van. So he's in Fanny the van. We're going to get a barbecue ready. I'm going to let you enjoy it with us.
We certainly are.
You alright, yeah? You up for that for a barbie?
Oh, I can't wait. You know I love my food.
Oh, right, come on. Let's get to the barbecue.
Yay!
Barbecue's ready. Red wine in hand. Michelle's got a
G&T.
ka-ching.
Ooh. Lovely.
There's my little boy. Good morning from Camp Fishpool. How you doing, you lot? How you doing?
I'm doing fine. Bit tired, but fine.
Bit-
Lots of fresh air.
Bit tired. 12 hours sleep. But anyhow, Donald's had his walk this morning over in the woods over at the back there. We're now going to have our brekkie with our caramelised sausages. Can't beat a bit of outdoor cooking in the field. Then we're going to have a walk with Donald again. We'll go to a pub, get a bit of pub lunch. We're going to take you with us. So come on, let's enjoy Camp Fishpool. Camp cooking breakfast is now served.
Beautiful little sight this is. Look at these, the pods. Hey? Wow. Look. Absolutely beautiful. There you go. So it's really nice. Pods, kitchen. Very nice. Be nice to stay here actually. I've not stayed in the pods yet. Wouldn't mind doing that. quite a few people left this morning. A little bit overcast today, but it's alright. We've got a sandwich bar here. Toilet, disabled toilets and wet room. Men's, women's, showers, toilets. Washing facilities there. Washing facilities. Just gonna go up here now and show you the area where we take Donald. Right, if you look down there, that goes right down to the bottom where you can come out at the other corner. You can go up here as well. So it's like a magical mystery tour. Go up here. These are the routes that I take Donald on. It is a little overgrown, but with a bit of housekeeping, it can be really good. Just nipping his way through now. Up here. I normally stick to the lower part for a quick walk, because obviously we're going for other longer walks. All the way up here, there's fencing here to private land. There you go. You can see the whole site from here. Yeah, and there's Alan there, and Donald. Well, here we go. We're going on our walk. Just the three of us. Oh, look at this. Wow. Hello. Wow. That's magnificent. Cabbage Hall. Wow. The food in here is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. This is the entrance, which is beautiful. Look at that. It's beautiful. Wow. Impressive entrance already. The door. And here we go. Oh, look. This is a beautiful place, this. Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. There's where they book you in for your tables. This is gorgeous. Disabled and ladies to the right. Absolutely gorgeous. Lots of room. There's a bar there, a bar here. There's our lovely barman. Hi. Hi everyone. Look at that, it's beautiful. Absolutely brilliant here, folks. can't do enough for you. There's high chairs if you've got children. I'm whizzing through. To the rear end. We came here last time with my daughter and granddaughter and future son-in-law. Absolutely gorgeous out here. Oh, look at that, something out of Lord of the Rings, isn't it? The Hobbits. Hey, absolutely gorgeous here. Well, right. Alan's going to take Donald through to the back. There's the front. And we'll go through. I'll go through the back actually. For a change. Oh, look at that. The back. And it's not far away from where we're staying at the Fishpool Caravan Park.
So here we are in the beer garden at the Fishpool Inn. Cheers everyone.
And cheers with this. Ooh, might have a cheeky cider or two. Oh, lovely.
Alright, lovely.
Thank you.
Pepperoni pizza,
Oh,
yeah?
lovely. Thank you. That's brilliant,
So we've
that.
got the ring condiments and some side plates for you.
Oh, thank
Alright,
you very much.
enjoy.
Thank you. Thanks. entrance to the Fishpool caravan park. And if I quickly go around, and there is where we've just come from, Fishpool Inn. Across there, wow. Big smile of Alan. His mobile phone is still here. Let's get down here. Yes. His mobile phone is still here.
Here we are back at the van, and got a few drinks this afternoon in the Fishpool pub and the cabbage hall. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to cook a green Thai curry, I've decided. So the old barbecue coals are on, the wok's out, and I'm going to cook you a green Thai curry. Let's rock and roll. Okay, cheers everyone.
Cheers.
We've had a wonderful weekend camping in Fanny. We've just got a green Thai curry there. There's one for you. When you barbecue with your barbecue coals, you don't just need to cook barbecue meat. We've done a green Thai curry on it. What's it taste like, Michelle?
I'm getting into it now.
There you go. We've done rice, green Thai curry.
Look at that.
Hey, nice, isn't it? I like that. Yeah,
Beautiful.
we'll have that. So anyhow, so I'm going to say, as Michelle always says, cheers me dears.
Cheers, my dears.
Cheers me dears. Okay, right. That's the end of this vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It costs you nothing. It's totally free. Hit that notification bell. If you hit that notification bell, you won't miss any of our videos. What else, Michelle?
And don't forget, everyone, to comment down below and we can have a good chat, can't we?
Fantastic. There we go. Right, okay, guys. Cheers. This is the end of this vlog. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye, Fishpool Farm.